Hello there everyone, this is Lilith. Have you ever wondered how you can use a coloring stencil on a layout? Well, join me today and I'll show you how I created this colorful layout. Sit back and enjoy. So today I'll be using the Flower Bunch coloring stencil, which comes with 4 layers. These stencils are great for adding flat images to your projects and are great for layouts as well, as you can add lots of detail in color and just use one product. I'm going to start with the first layer, the base layer of my coloring stencil, and I'm going to color this in with the green Fields inks. I'm using a small blending tool from Altenew and dabbing that into my Red leaf ink. Once I've got that done, I'm going to move my stencil to the side and repeat this blending technique. Once I've finished with the first layer, I'm going to add the second one and take the second stencil. These are very simple to line up. This layered stenciling is pretty similar to any stamped layering that you would do using Altenew stamps. So here I'm adding the second layer and the more detailed part of my leaves. Once again, when I'm finished, I'm just going to pop that over to the side and repeat this. As you can see, I'm starting with part of the image on one side and the full image more to the center of my page. And I will also add a third little element at the bottom just to have my 3 elements on my page. So this leaf section has 3 layers, and here I'm adding that third layer. You can see the leaves come to life as you add the layers, and this is really fun when you're doing layered stenciling. And it is super easy, as you can repeat it several times. Once I've finished my leaves, I can start working on my floral images. So there are 2 large florals on this stencil. So I'm just going to line that up and just adhere some masking tape on that so that my stencil doesn't move around. And then I'm going to go in with frosty pink ink and just add that first layer. I already love that look of that soft pink against that lovely green. The frosty pink comes in the Red Cosmos Crisp ink set. These are some of my favorite color combinations, pink and green. I wonder, what are your favorite color combinations at Altenew? So I'm going to go in with the next layer, which is the detailed center. And I'm just going to pop some masking tape down once again. If you're worrying on how to layer these stamps, do check out the layering guide, which is on the back of the packaging. I'm going to go in with the next shade, which is a darker pink. And I already love the look of that. This shade is called Coral Berry. It is one of my favorite colors at Altenew. Now there are several layers to the flowers. I'm going to skip one. So I'm only going to do, oh no, I think I did all of them. Sorry about that. So here I'm going in with a darker shade and just adding more of the Coral Berry, but just adding more and more color. So when you build up color, the colors will darken. Once that is done, I'm going to add the centers with the next color, which is crimson. And this will add a very nice dark shade to the centers of my floral images. Once I've finished with that, I will add some of the blooms, which are to the right-hand side of this flower cluster. And I'll be using some orange tones from the Warm and Cozy ink set. I've only got the minis, but because these are small images and I'm using my Mindy blending tools, they work just perfectly. Once I've got all the images blended, I can start working on my layout itself. As my photo is pretty large and I've got those lovely colorful flower bunches, I'm going to keep the rest very simple and just add some chipboard elements from various Altenew scrapbook collections and also some handwritten journaling. So there you have the layout for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you've got any comments or questions, just pop them in the comment section. And don't forget to check out the blog post about this layout on the Mixed Media blog. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you very soon. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!